one of them upside down guitars. G'day. Have a look at this. It's a little Martinez. It's a little Martinez Acoustic. It's it's left-handed with tetanus gauge strings on it. All right, so yeah, we're obviously changing those and a bit of a clean-up, and that's it. That's what we're doing. This belongs to a young fellow. He's starting to learn, so let's make it look sweet. Let's make it all schmick for him. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's the other thing I should point out too. I went to change the strings and the pin broke off there. You know, that's how I ended up with it. So I can get that sorted for them. And I'll just give it over once over, a bit of a set up, so to speak. Let's put you back there a bit. Yeah? Yeah? Is that alright? That's good. That's good. How are we going to do this? It's upside down. So that's not too bad. We'll have a little bit of a we'll have a bit of a go at that though. We'll see if we can get that a little bit better. Here we go. Upside down, everything's upside down these days. Womp womp. Yeah, let's see if we can do something about that. She's a bit not ideal. Look at that. Got him. Good guess. Alright. Ooh. Well, that's not great, is it? I don't like that at all. Let's take these strings off. Let's take the strings off. Come here. Come up here so you can actually see what's going on. That'll be good. Cuddy cuddy. Cuddy cuddy. There we go. These really good only ball string winders have a nice little pull tool there, so we can do that and not break them off. Oh no. I'll just pop them aside. I'll chuck them in a baggie. Oh. Yeah, I think that was just a bit of bad luck. They're not brittle or anything. Well, they don't feel too bad. Thank you, Mr. String Height Gauge, for your assistance. What have you done here? I'll go in. There we go. Usually not that hard. Alright, that's bit crap. Trying to get you involved here. I just want to have a look at something. That's the wrong one. It's the wrong one, mate. It's not that bad, but aha! See? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It feels stiff, but it's tight. You can feel it, sort of. So if I oh yes. Yeah, cool. Excellent. Righto. Well, awesome. Yeah. Let's let me show you this. Some of them slots are big. Like, look at that one. Like, this is a wound string, and that almost fits in there. Anyway, I don't have a nut. I don't have a nut that'll fit this, so and I need this done tonight. So I'll let them know about that, and yeah, that might be a job for later on. It seemed to function all right, but the strings were crap. So let's see what we can do. So next, I am going to give all that a clean up. Give the whole thing a bit of a clean up, to be quite honest. Give it all a wipe down, polish the frets, put some juice in there. Should come up pretty sweet. Cool. Look at that. Alright, let's keep going. Alright. Alright, I'll give that a few minutes and we'll wipe off the excess. Alrighty, all spick and span. I'll give it a good scrub, a good wipe down, front, back, sides, headstock, a little bit of the chrome work. I'm just a little bit pressed for time because I got this today and only had tonight to get it done, so that's only a few hours by the time I get home. So, she's looking pretty schmick, looking pretty good, look at that. That come up a treat. Alright, I'm going to quickly put strings on it. I won't film that bit because we've done that a million times. I'll just jump to the next bit and make sure she's set up alright. Lovely. Oh, pins. I better find them. I've got, I keep heaps of them here because always worried about me doing that. I always think I'm going to be the one to snap one. But I've got all the colours here, so I'll just find something close, or if not exactly the same, and smash him on. But let's jump to the next bit. Hey, quickly though, I found them. This is the strings we're going with. Strings supplied. Nice. Da-da-da-da-da-da-dos. Da-da-da-da-dos. This is what I was talking about. We're going to go with them ones. Right, now we really will jump to the next bit with these ones and these ones on these ones. Make sure I put them the right way. It's left-handed. Righto. Alright. Righto, he says. I always say righto, don't I? Where have I left everything? Let's see how we went. I got a feeling. Don't sing that. We'll get in trouble. That's a 20 mil. I was a bit panicked there. That was a 20 thou. I was like, what have I done? I've ruined it. Yeah. Cool. Neck's good. Nuts okay. It's the saddle that I'd love to bring it down just a tad. But we haven't got the time for that. I shall let them know. I don't know if you can see that, but just to bring it down just that little bit. Yeah. If I can have it back. Playing upside down. That's up to them. I'll let them know. Playing cowboy chords up there, up to the 7th fret's fine. It's just sort of up, you know. From the body to the 7th is probably a little bit less desirable. It looks like it's got a little bit of a about there anyway. So what I do? We new pins, new strings, cleaned fretboards, frets, adjusted the neck to try and help with that action a little bit. It doesn't really do a great deal, but I wanted to try and it's quick. It's a quick thing to do to try and fix it. But what else? That's it. One thing I did do, which I didn't, all those screws on the back there were loose, so I've done those. Yeah, it's not a bad little twanger, is it? It's got all this on it. I don't know where that is, if that's in the case, but it's only learning. It doesn't need to be plugged in. There's a little, where are we? Amp there. All right. Flick it out the door. Let's get rid of it. I'll, yeah. We done another one. Acoustic. Righto. You lot, thank you for hanging out, tagging along. And this was good. I had to be quick. It would have been nice to have this for a couple of days, but it is what it is. Hopefully it'll be back and we can sort out that little issue, and that's really it, to be quite honest. Cool. Righto. I shall see you all soon. Please take care of yourself. See you soon. Cheers.